Welcome to practice. In this video, we're going to learn how to prepare the body for meditation. Hi, my name is Cristina, and in this video, I'm going to show you a very simple and effective asana practice to help you feel open, balanced in your physical body so that when you sit in your meditation practice, you feel at ease. So, let's begin. Put your prop to the side and very slowly find yourself on your hands and your knees. As you find yourself in your 4-point position, your wrists under your shoulders, your knees under your hips, here take a full breath in, lengthen your spine. Exhale, send your pelvis towards your heels, child's pose, forehead onto the earth. Inhale, come up into all fours, lengthen the spine. And exhale, child's pose, sit into your heels, find extension of your spine and feel that deep rest in your lower back. 2 more rounds. Inhale to rise, feel that expansion, spine long. Exhale, hips to heels, forehead rests. Inhale to rise, slowly lengthen. And here, tuck your toes under. Exhale into downward facing dog. Creating a little bit of a flexion of your knees. Neck is long, spine is free. Take a full breath in. And with the breath out, bring your knees into the earth, creating that 4-point position again. We begin to flow between those 3 forms. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale, child's pose. Hips to your heels, lengthen their spine. Rise into all fours. Inhale, elongate. Exhale, downward dog. Keep your knees slightly bent. Neck is free. Knees to the earth. Inhale. Child's pose. Rinse your spine. Exhale. Inhale into all fours. Down dog. Exhale. Relax into that spaciousness of the back body. Take 2 more on your own. Let the breath guide the movement. Let the movement follow the breath. Notice how each time we repeat that very simple movement, we create more space in the body. Next time that you find yourself in downward facing dog, stay there. That's where we are meeting. In downward facing dog, your knees is slightly bent. Remember, this asana is so that your spine elongates. It's not so much about the back of your legs. So softening your knees gently is creating a space in your lumbar spine and your hamstrings. Set your eyes in a single spot. Root down through your hands and return all your awareness onto the breath. Inhale. Deep exhale. Breathe in. And breath out. Take 3 more on your own. And on your final exhale, bring your knees onto the earth. 1 more time. Sit into your heels in Vajrasana, Hero's pose. As your heart is over your hips, your head over your heart, just close your eyes and witness that energetic shift within you. from a very simple asana practice, energetically already shifting. Take deep breath into that subtle experience. Gently open your eyes, bring your legs to one side as you find a comfortable seat. And as you find a comfortable seat, very slowly with your right shin in front, creating a length in your spine, sit bones grounded. Inhale your arms to the sky. Exhale, bring your arms forward, place your hands onto the earth, create length in your spine as you breathe in, get super long, hips to crown. And exhale, allowing a very subtle descent towards the earth. Let go of your head. If you need a little support, you can create a pillow with your forearms, one on top of the other. If it's alright for you, just simply keep your arms extended. As you're here, take deep abdominal breaths and breathe into that space where you feel the most sensations. Remember that if you're experiencing tension in your body, remember tension is simply energy not flowing. So by bringing asana and breath awareness together, we are inviting the energy to flow again, the channels to open. Take 3 more breaths. Slowly lengthen your spine. Inhale, extend your arms forward and all the way up. Elongate, get super long. And slowly exhale, arms by your side. Beautiful. Bring your right hand behind you. Extend your left arm to the sky. Inhale. A super simple twist, easy twist. Left hand onto your right knee. Get long again. Breathe into the chest. Exhale as you gaze behind you, keeping both sit bones rooting down. And as we twist into our torso, we are gonna do a little bit of stretch for the neck. So keep your body as it is and simply turn your head forward. Bring your left ear to your left shoulder. Tuck your chin slightly in. Allow your right shoulder to drop and breathe into the right side of your neck. Soften your face. Deep abdominal breathing. Slowly first lift your head. Inhale here. Exhale, come back to center. Rest your hands onto your knees and just noticing the energetic shift on your right side of the body. Remember, the practice is inviting us to go from that physical to more subtle, energetic awareness. When you're ready, open your eyes, left hand behind you. Inhale, right arm to the sky, get long. Right hand onto your left knee. As you exhale, begin to twist through your thoracic spine. As you lengthen the spine, breathe into the heart. Exhale, gaze back. And as you find that really grounded space for both hips, continue to rotate. Take a full breath in. Exhale, gaze forward, and slowly bring your right ear to your right shoulder, left shoulder grounding. Deep abdominal breathing. If it feels comfortable, close your eyes. Bring your head up into neutral. Inhale. Exhale, come back through center. Rest your hands onto your knees and just become that witness of this moment. Beautiful. And from this space, you are ready for your meditation practice. Super quick, super easy, opening the channels of the body through simple movements, simple breath. So enjoy your meditation. If you want to go ahead and jump into breath awareness, you can follow this practice over here, and I will see you on the next video. Remember to subscribe. Namaste.